Hello, the legal community of India. For this video presentation is a presentation of extraordinary situations and miserable conditions of Marathas in Maharashtra, based on the Annexure 29 of Justice Gaikwad report. The photographs are taken during wider focus group discussion in 100 villages in all the districts of Marathwada region and personal observations made by Professor Dr. Balasaheb Sarate and his survey team during February to May 2018. The ongoing Maratha reservation is stayed in Supreme Court on 9th of September 2020 without hearing the aggrieved people. The Apex Court didn't see the facts and evidences on record and passed order which is based on prima facie case. The Bombay High Court heard the matter for 45 days, gave sufficient scope to petitioners and upheld the reservation through a comprehensive judgment given on 27th June 2019. The petitioners neither put forth any new fact or evidence nor they rejected observations of High Court regarding erroneous exclusion of Marathas put in para 164. Despite that, Supreme Court set aside High Court's findings and put a question on powers of High Court in this jurisdiction. The Supreme Court stated Marathas cannot be compared with marginalized groups out of mainstream process of development. There is no extraordinary situation for Marathas. Legal right of Maratha community. Supreme Court has not put any objection on entitlement and 30% population of Maratha community. Constitutionally, the ongoing benefits of reservation already given to deserving Maratha community cannot be stopped on prima facie basis. It is responsibility of state and judiciary to confer reservation benefits to this eligible class. Reservation is not a right. But if similarly placed classes are given benefits and any class is deprived selectively, then it becomes right of the deprived class under Article 14. There is 32% reservation given to SEBC and OBC in state. The population of OBC and Maratha combined is 64%. Reservation is 32%, which is exact 50% of total population. Thus, there is no shortage of reservation in the state. Therefore, Bombay High Court observed in para 176 that SEBC reservation is extended beyond 50% for a short period and directed the state to make revision of existing OBC within a limited span of time and exclude classes which are progressed and adjust SEBC within the existing 32% reservation. Bombay High Court crossed the limit of 50% for the time being and in order to give a legitimate time to the state for revision and also to avoid social conflicts and immediate reaction. The High Court has not overruled the judgment of Indira Sahani but has followed the principle of leniency set out by Indira Sahani through paragraph numbers 848, 853, 854B, 856 and 857. That because the reservation was prolonged for 40 years, therefore, benefits should be given immediately and the errors in identification may be rectified afterwards. In the light of above points, the Honorable Supreme Court may give directions to the state to adjust SEBC reservation within legal and constitutional limit of 32% available in state. Oh my Lord, see these pictures. These are not all but a sample of reality. The actual situation is much critical. The Supreme Court acted upon the perception for Marathas. The peculiar situation of Maratha community is like this. Point 1. Marathas are traditionally agriculturalist. Point 2. They depend on nature's cycle and natural crops. Point 3. Lack of irrigation and dependence on rainfall. Point 4. Rural habitation since centuries. Point 5. Living under chronic poverty since centuries. Records from 19th century disclose the fact. Modern economic policies killed agricultural sector. There is agricultural distress because of fragmentation, low productivity, persistent low and insufficient income. Point 6. Burden of cost of living and trap of indebtedness. Point 7. Majority are Maratha farmers in the suicide data. Point 8. Marathas are bound within frame of occupational boundaries, agriculture, village boundaries, rural habitation, community boundaries, bonding with caste and kinship, and traditional boundaries, influence of customs and traditions. Point 9. Engaged in physical and menial labor as a part of traditional occupation. Point 10. Lack of modern knowledge and technological education. Point 11. Lack of progressive approach and out of mainstream social changes. Point 12. Maratha women class is deeply backward and primitive in status. Point 13. Static mindset and stagnant attitude. Point 14. Nim-Adivasi, that is semi-primitive style of living. Only language and dressing is different, but thinking and living is like primitive tribes. Point 15. Marathas are actually isolated from the mainstream process of development. See who is suffering and who is benefiting. Point 1. In Maharashtra, there are only 4 categories legally identified for reservation. First, SC, identified by President's notification in 1950. Second, ST, identified by President's notification in 1950. Third, nomadic and denotified, VJNT, identified by Thade Committee in November 1961. 4. SEBC, identified by Gaikwad Commission in 2018 and validated by High Court.
5th, the caste-wise OBC list is not identified by any commission or committee.
6. OBC reservation is not constitutional under Articles 15(4) and 16(4) and Supreme Court orders. So brothers and sisters, please extend your support to such a miserable farmers community for reservation benefits. Thank you. Jai Hind.